Today we are going to make a very healthy and nutritious chicken soup. The ingredients for which are: take 1 teaspoon of butter in a kadhai. Let it melt. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, few chopped green chilies. Saute it nicely. Add quarter cup of chopped carrots. Saute it for a minute or two. Now add quarter cup of red bell peppers. Saute it for few seconds. Add in quarter cup of sweet corn. One cup of boiled shredded chicken. Give it a mix. Crush some black pepper. Add salt to taste. Give it a quick mix. Add 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix everything well. Add chicken stock and bring it to a boil. We will add in 1 beaten egg, stir it continuously and bring it to a boil. Our soup is done. Now add in some fresh coriander leaves and transfer it to a serving bowl. Our chicken soup is ready. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve it hot. For such easy and healthy recipes, please like, share and subscribe the channel.